I'm going to share some of my case studies. Just like I said before, I don't want to just find case study from online to share to you, so I'm going to share with you the case study I personally managed. This is a project just happened this year because I want to share with you latest case study. Gucci China came to media Nowness. Nowness is a media founded in the UK, but now I think it's got acquired by a Chinese company. So their headquarters is from Shanghai. I know Oliver is from Shanghai, so anyone from Shanghai here as well? No, okay. So you can think about Nowness if you want to go back to Shanghai to work. They have two celebrities here. Do you know them? No? Girls! Who is this handsome gentleman? Tell me the name. Zhang. Yes. Who is this beautiful girl? You're the only gentleman here. You don't know? Wang Churan. So the brief is Gucci China will bring two celebrities from China all the way to London, Tate Modern, to join their Gucci fashion show, 2025 spring collection. So while they're here, they need someone from local, me, to help them to film everything, including the get ready in the hotel they're staying, which is a Mandarin Oriental Hotel, Wenhua Dongfang. And we also took them back to the founder of Gucci before he began setting up this brand. He worked in Savoy Hotel near the Strand. So there's a famous red lift inside the Savoy Hotel. This is where they got inspiration from. So we took the artist back to Savoy Hotel. And later we brought them to Bond Street, the Gucci flagship store, to do something shooting in the store as well. Then we took the male artist to RCA, Piccadilly, around Piccadilly Circus. And they left, joined the fashion show in Tate Modern. So we, as a local team, we support the local production part. So we have 4 different departments here. You can think about which one you would like to join after graduation. We have the client side, of course, very fancy luxury fashion brand. They mainly deal with the PR, to deal with the celebrities' PR, arranging seats for fashion show, arranging all the decoration for the show. And we have the media, we have celebrity team and production team. So if you're interested, you can probably put in the Q&A. I can tell you more about the different work scope and the different departments. So this is some of the photos we took for the artists, the male artists and female artists, and Gucci China share on Weibo and Weixin, 公众号, WeChat public account. So I'm going to share with you a video here, which I really like. I like the male version more, so I'm going to share with you the male version.
这次的论是从开始，在这间红色电梯，不学不写开始拍。我喜欢能向往它的独特内涵，多元文化的一些，对吧？这就是西方的街路。
Yes, so this is the video, and because we have students coming from different major today, and you probably have different interests, so I'm not going to go into the detail of how the production work, what job role is it, what's the process. But if you're interested in knowing more, we have a Q&A session at the last. You can tell me which part are you most interested in, and I will share more about that.